Hello everyone, we will show you the welding application of ultrasonic lathe machine in PP and SBR materials. The ultrasonic lathe machine transmits ultrasonic waves to the material welding surface through high-frequency vibration by the flower wheel, which can generate high temperature and high pressure in a short time, melt and fuse the material surface, thereby realizing seamless welding of the material. The ultrasonic sewing machine has the advantages of fast welding speed, firm welding, smooth and beautiful welds, safety and no pollution. It is widely used in material welding in clothing, toys, automotive interior and other industries.